What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And today I just got a package from Speedcube shop right here, and I crossed out everything that's no use to you. And I'm just excited to open it, and I wanted to make a video. Well, I know what it is, but I'm gonna leave that for a surprise for you. So here's the package right here. It's from Speedcube shop, as you can see right here. Let's see if I can get the camera focus. And if you didn't know, I like cubing. It's a nice hobby. Focus. Oh, well, this one's Speedcube shop, if you didn't see it. Okay, let's just hop right into it. So, I got my... I'm so excited because I've been waiting for a while for this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Here it is. Here it is, guys. This is what I've been waiting for a while. A floppy cube. I bought, and it's transparent. Oh my gosh. The funny thing is, I don't even know how to solve one of these. I'm gonna be straightforward. Oh my gosh. This is a super floppy cube, I think. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna do the checkerboard pattern right here. But that's sick. Oh my gosh. I've always wanted a floppy cube, and I finally have one. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna play around with this. So I'm just gonna do a scramble. I'm not too sure how to... I don't know exactly how to solve a floppy cube. But from what I've seen on YouTube, I've seen that it's kind of easy. They say. Okay, so I'm just gonna solve this. So, okay, so like that. So like that. Okay, so then I'm gonna do that. So I have one thing solved. I have one piece solved. You know what, actually? I'm just gonna start it off like I would, like a normal cube. Okay, so I'm just gonna start. So I'm gonna just get all the edge pieces. I'm gonna see if this works. I'm not too sure. Okay, just flip that, flip that. Oh my gosh, I just solved it. I don't even know, I swear I don't even know how to solve one of these. But I mean, they are one of the easiest cubes in the world. I mean, yeah. Okay, this is gonna be it for this video. I hope you like it. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.